Conference rooms are a paramount tool for most businesses that need to communicate amongst employees and also for customer interactions, including sales, demos, and training purposes. There are two types of conference rooms in Switchvox: Simple and Meet Me. A simple conference is a shared room accessed via an extension number on the system and creates a quick conference for any callers that join with limited configuration options. A Meet Me conference center is similar in the way it's created but allows users to create a personal conference bridge with a unique ID and control over music on hold, further admin permissions, and a little bit more configuration options. Let's set up a simple conference to start under Manage Extensions from the Setup menu. We're going to click Create Extension. And choose Simple Conference Room. We'll give this conference an extension number of 300. We'll give callers an audible cue when others join. And when there's only one person in the conference, we'll entertain them with some music on hold. And optionally, if you press pound, you'll be sent to an extension when you're in the conference. So this conference is now accessible by extension 300 internally. You can also use this extension throughout the system in the same way you use any extension through Switchvox. It could be from an IVR, a direct dial, a transfer from a handset, and so on. So let's take a listen here.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
So that's our simple conference room. Let's create a Meet Me conference now. We're going to follow the previous steps, create extension, or we're going to choose Meet Me Conference Center this time. We're going to go with 301. We may want to limit the possible enumeration attempts and after action if desired. Of course, you need the conference bridge to access this. So let's go with 3. So for not choosing unlimited, we do have to have an extension to route to as part of the Switchvox deployment. We'll choose our extension and save. Now when the conference extension is dialed, callers will be asked to enter a conference number to join. User's conference bridge can be created either by an admin using the login as user tool under the extension management here, or by the user from their user portal under features conference room once logged in. Let's take a quick look at that. So as you saw there, the conference number needs to be 5 digits, and we've got some of the similar configuration options as we had in the simple conference, such as playing sound when participants enter and leave, music on hold, the extension to go to if you hit pound, and some admin specific details. We can add our conference admins in here if we'd like. So we've got our system extension 301 for the Meet Me conference, and we've created a bridge under user 200 with the conference ID of 55555. So let's see what that looks like.
Please enter your conference number followed by the pound key. You are currently the only person in this conference.
And there we were able to go ahead and connect to the Meet Me conference. So we've learned how to set up a simple conference that anyone can access and a more advanced Meet Me conference room with a little bit more personalized touch. So thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time.